Welcome to cpaphelpdesk.com. This video it talks about how to handle or manage your allergies and having to use your CPAP machine. The first thing that I must advise you is please speak to your sleep doctor. Let him or her know that you are suffering from allergies and what you can do to use or how you can use your CPAP machine during those times. The sleep doctor definitely can help you with that. All right, but quickly, I want to give you more pointed advice. One of the things that you must or actually clearly realize is this. You know, during allergy season, the allergen, the very thing that's irritating your body, enters your nostril. Okay, you must get rid of this. Okay, one of the an effective way to get rid of it is to use a saline flush, a saline spray, right? So by flushing it out, and you get rid of the allergens, you get rid of a huge source of irritant to you. I'll give you a clear example. I probably didn't say it really clearly. For example, if you have dust in your eye is going to tear up. So what do? Get rid of it. Wash your eye. Once you get rid of the dust, the irritation stops. So this is an effective management tool using saline flush. Now, the other thing is during allergy season, our nose becomes inflamed, okay, and irritated, and it makes it tough to breathe. So if you're using nasal pillows or nasal CPAP mask, it's not going to work because then you become a mouth breather. So the appropriate thing to use is a CPAP full face mask, okay, or an oral CPAP mask. By the way, I know my handwriting is bad, but this is my first time using this tablet pen. It's making it look even worse, so forgive me for that. Okay, now the other thing that I do want to bring to your attention is this: the back of a CPAP machine, or somewhere in your CPAP machine, there are filters. Be diligent on changing it or cleaning it. Remember, because the allergen and dust will accumulate on it. Almost 6 out of 10 people are not diligent in cleaning or replacing the filters. Doing that will help you tremendously. Now, the other thing here is this. This is supposed to be you or me or anybody who's using CPAP, okay? Okay. When you go in from the outside, coming back into the home, change your clothes outside of your bedroom. Do not change it inside your bedroom. Okay? And the reason why is this: the allergens from the outside of the home are stuck on your clothes. As soon as you start to take it off, you kick it up in the air, and now you've brought that into your bedroom environment. So please change your clothes. Always change your clothes outside of your bedroom, or also outside of all the main living areas of your home. The other thing is, now this is going to sound silly, is take a bath before sleeping. Okay, take a bath before sleeping, because once again, the allergens is on your skin. You need to wash them, and on your hair. Okay, so you need to wash that away before jumping into bed and sleeping with your CPAP or Bipap machine. Now, this part here is going to be interesting. What I'm trying to draw here is your home. Okay. A couple of very effective strategies that are used in managing allergies, especially during spring and fall time, which are the peak allergies, peak times for allergies. Okay, a lot of people like to open the window when they fall asleep to get the fresh air in. No, don't. Close the window. Okay, close the window, because otherwise you're introducing these allergens from the outside into your home. The other thing is wash your bed sheets and pillowcases very frequently. Another point is consider using a hypo allergenic bedsheet and pillowcase. This has proven to be effective, especially if you are allergic to dust mites. Okay. The other thing that you could use is a HEPA air purifier. There are many types out there, but HEPA air purifiers HEPA air purifier with a HEPA filter does help reduce the amount of allergens that are floating in the air in your entire home or in the room where you are occupying. All right. So please consider using that. Now, finally, one of the most important things that you can do in managing your allergies, and if you have not done it, is this. Please, 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 please see an allergist. They become laser specific in diagnosing the exact allergens that is causing you your biggest headaches, and also they can tailor specific medication and strategies that are unique to you and just unique for your needs. So please see an allergist. With that, please drop by cpaphelpdesk.com. We do give you recommendations on exact Cpap full face mask and exact oral Cpap mask that our patients have reported that has worked for them, and these are patients who suffer from allergies. Okay, just spend a few minutes, come by. Other than that, I want to wish you sweet dreams.